Food is like an art. You can mold it, you can build it or craft it, and at the end, you will be amazed by your little creation. If you're just seeing my video for the first time, I want to say welcome to Foodie. Here we talk about food, fitness and fun. And if you're a returning subscriber, I want to say thank you so much. You are my king and queen. Today, let's make a quick onion sauce with brown rice. This sauce is something you can make with 2,000 naira or less. Let's begin. First, prepare your ingredients. You can always check the video description on YouTube for all the ingredients I use. Then you have to bleach your oil. I began by frying the fish in the oil because the fish was too soft. I needed it a bit hard so that it doesn't scatter in the sauce. Be careful when you're frying the oil. I had to cover mine because it was splashing out too much. Once you're satisfied, add your locust beans, otherwise known as iru in Yoruba. Give it a little stir before adding your blended onions. Mix again and let it cook for about 5 to 6 minutes before adding your pepper flakes or any pepper of your choice. Mix again and then cover. Give it about 10 minutes before adding your seasoning. Equally add your curry and thyme. You see, thyme is important to the taste of this sauce. Then you can add your other proteins and leave it to cook for about 5 to 10 minutes before putting it down. In the same energy, preboil your brown rice and sieve it out. Return it to the fire with a little water and add your salt. Cover and let it cook. And here you have it. Our low budget onion sauce and brown rice is ready. You can equally eat this sauce with yam, plantain, potato and the rest. Just do as you like. If you want to know how I achieve this roasted skinless chicken, you can check the video above. And if you find this content helping, please do not forget to subscribe for more amazing content like this. Thank you so very much. I love you. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.